Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mary. I'm a professional makeup artist. In this video today, I will be reviewing the new Benefit Hello Happy Flawless Brightening Foundation. Now, this is not a very new product. It was launched a few months back, but I wanted to make a review about it. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. It comes in this box, this beautiful happy packaging, and yeah, I am in the shade number 5. They say it's a medium coverage foundation giving you 12 hours long wear. Also, one more thing, I just went through the ingredient list and it has alcohol in it. Yeah, in case you're allergic to alcohol, then skip this. This comes in 30 ml glass bottle and it's priced at 2870. It has a pump. It also comes with SPF 15 with PA++. I have used this foundation quite a few times, and I would like to mention that it claims to give 12 hours of long wear, but it works for about 5 to 6 hours. On my skin is extremely oily, so according to me that's a very long time for a foundation to stay on my skin. It is very lightweight, it's extremely lightweight. It gives a very it gives a very beautiful finish. I really love the finish of this foundation. If you're looking for a nice high-end foundation which will give you nice dewy finish, then you should consider buying this. It's a good product. Now let's jump into the demo. I've taken some product. Okay, one side of my face I will be applying with a beauty blender and the other side I will be applying with a brush. So let's start with the beauty blender. I'll dot it on my skin and okay, now this side of the face I will be applying with my brush. After applying the foundation, this side I've applied with a beauty blender and this side of my face is with a brush. So this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like on the beauty blender side. This is how it looks like on the brush side. Okay, that's it for the demo, and I have set it with a loose powder. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you haven't seen my previous videos, I'll leave them down in the description box below and you can check them out. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.